This heritage special is basically built using the steam engine as the theme. We will first test this, try this, and then manufacture more of this. All across the country we will run it. A new concept, Heritage Special. This Heritage Special is basically built using the steam engine as the theme. The steam engine, as all of us know, is very emotionally connected to us, and even though it is not running today, we thought that can we create a new concept which looks like steam engine, but it is actually operating by electricity. So that is why this beautiful concept was presented to our Honorable Prime Minister. And Prime Minister Modi ji, as you know, believes that we have to make development as well as heritage, we have to keep together. So he calls it Virasat Bhi Vikas Bhi, which means heritage as well as development. Both should go together. So this is a new concept that has been created, Heritage Special. We will first test this, try this, and then manufacture more of this.